Remove the 3 fixing screws and remove the back cover. Remove 1 set of screws and remove the top cover of the drive box. Separate harness plug-in. Cut off the harness holding ties. Remove the 4 fixing screws. Remove the screws fixing the ground cable. Pass the harness through the lower end of the motor cylinder and remove the switch box assembly. The switch box assembly is installed, and the wiring harness is threaded through the lower end of the electric cylinder. Install the grounding cable fixing screws. Install switch box assembly and for fixing screws. Connect the wiring harness plug-in. Tie the harness and secure the cable tie. Install the upper cover of the drive box and 1 set of screws. Install back cover and 3 fixing 1 screws.